Here's everything you need to know about ultra-high-performance concrete. Up the strongest mix. Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Ultra-high-performance concrete, UHPC, delivers 20,000 plus PSI compressive strength versus high-strength concrete for standard concrete, lasting 50 to 100 years with minimal maintenance. It costs $3,000 to $5,000 per cubic yard, roughly 10 times standard concrete, but eliminates rebar corrosion, freeze-thaw damage, and spalling in harsh environments. Ultra-high-performance concrete sounds like science fiction, but it is a real material transforming how structural engineers specify concrete for bridges, parking decks, and critical infrastructure. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company delivers standard concrete, decorative concrete, and high-specification mixes, including UHPC, for projects where durability and strength are non-negotiable. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post explains what UHPC is, where contractors use it, what it costs, and whether it makes sense for your project. Local Concrete Contractor, North Carolina UHPC specialists. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman area. The company specializes in high-specification concrete work, including ultra-high-performance concrete, UHPC, for projects requiring compressive strength of 20,000 PSI or higher. UHPC typically costs $3,000 to $5,000 per cubic yard, roughly 5 to 10 times standard concrete, but delivers durability and low permeability that justify the premium in critical applications. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners and commercial clients pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. For projects where structural longevity and minimal maintenance matter, UHPC delivers measurable returns within 20 to 50 years. Moving on to what is ultra-high-performance concrete. Ultra-high-performance concrete is an engineered material designed to exceed 20,000 pounds per square inch, PSI, of compressive strength, compared to 3,000 to 4,000 PSI for standard concrete. UHPC achieves this through precise mix design, lower water-cement ratios, often 0.20 or less, and the inclusion of supplementary cementitious materials such as silica fume and fly ash. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, UHPC also incorporates fiber reinforcement, typically steel fibers, synthetic fibers, or both, which provides tensile strength and crack control that standard rebar alone cannot match. The defining characteristic of UHPC is its ultra-low permeability. Standard concrete allows water and chlorides to penetrate over years, leading to rebar corrosion, spalling, and structural deterioration. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.